Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so excited to unbox and flip through with you all the Green Witch Oracle by Cheralyn Darcey. So this has been a recent release, so I'm so excited. Finally, I've been waiting for this forever. Discover real secrets of botanical magic. This is published by Rockpool. And let's see, does it have the, yes it does. It retails for $21.95 here in the US. All right, so the back says, step into the enchanted garden and explore the hidden powers of the Green Witch. These 44 cards allow you to draw upon both the magical and medicinal aspects of the garden. Botanical, hopefully I'm saying that right, and plant folklore, historical facts are included in the guidebook, along with gardening advice and spells. Yes! Oracle meanings are completely aligned with the doctrine of signatures to enable this deck to be used as a complementary medicine modality tool. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so it is a little box. Oh, cute! All right, I love little surprises. Oh my goodness, can you see? Oh, there's a shadow, but look at how cute. All right, so here is paper. Here's the book. I love the symbols here. Let's see, we have how to use the cards and card spreads. Oh, and then it's grouped. Okay, so we have earth, which would be vegetables, fire, which would be herbs, water would be fruits, and air would be flowers. And we have a glossary, bibliography about the author, and acknowledgements. So cool. Okay, so I feel like we kind of went over how to use this, so I won't read this for you again, but here we go. We have the Garden Shed spread and a Garden of Magic spread here. That's awesome. Oh, and one more, the Garden Year spread. Okay, I'm sorry. I really love Cheralyn Darcey decks, so I'm so excited. Oh, look, and it's all color. Okay, so we'll get into how to use the guidebook in a correspondence with the cards after we flip through. All right, here is the back. And it is a little glossy, although you can't really pick it up too much. There we go. There's that gloss. But there's the back. I feel like it's your standard Oracle size. It is a little bit thin, but they are flexible. And with that gloss, it's really going to help it last. All right, here we go. Love. I love how this is set up. Love. Okay. It's similar to her herb deck because we have like a little symbol here that goes along with the meaning of the card here. And they are numbered. There's no borders. I love it. It's like your own little notebook kind of a thing. Like the botanical, what are they called? the books that they would hand draw all of their specimens in, and then they would write little notes about it. Oh, I love, how cute is this? It does give you the signs that it corresponds to as well. Love that. I am so happy with this already. It's just right up my alley. I don't know about you guys. Let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below because this is just adorable. I cannot wait to restart my garden outdoors. I just kind of let it die in the year of 2020. I was like, I'm not dealing with this. It started great, and then all of a sudden, everything had to be locked down, and so I couldn't upkeep what I was going to do, and sad. But anyway, we'll get it started up again and thriving. Right now I have little seedlings starting underneath a grow light in my house, and they're just thriving and living their best life, so I'm really excited. love the artwork is just gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Oh, I love. My sister has the best lemons from her lemon tree in her backyard. Oh, so I got to spirit some away the other day. I'm so excited. I love lemon in my water. These are just adorable. I'm so happy and excited about these. I don't know if you can tell. Oh. Gorgeous. I love. Daffodils are all around right now. Oh, that is so pretty. Snapdragons. Oh. Dahlia. I'm trying to grow a peony from a bulb right now, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so let's shuffle. And then we'll pull a card. Oh yes, so nice. So they aren't like super thin. I would like, I mean, I guess all Rockpool is kind of similar in their cardstock. It's flexible, but it snaps back. See, I love that. I don't have an issue with a thinner cardstock. I'm really not like a cardstock snob at all. I just want to make sure that, you know, as a consumer, you're getting your money's worth out of the quality as well. However, this is like no big deal because it snaps back and it's flexible. It's got that coating. It didn't stick together, which is fantastic. It shuffles just great. So let's see if one card wants to pop out, please. Can we get one card? Shuffles great. Okay, well, we asked for one. We got two. We'll read this one. Marjoram. I actually have some seeds starting out of this. My first time, so we'll see. Okay, so it's labeled, or excuse me, numbered. So we'll just flip right through. There is a nice little content here that you can flip to the correct page as well, which is always helpful. So it says, there's a little quote here, "My garden is my most beautiful masterpiece, Claude Monet." Oracle meanings. New successes, relationships, and even beginnings are indicated. Can you do something differently to move an outcome more in line with your desires? Marjoram indicates celebrations, excitement, holidays, good news, and physical radiance. Freedom that was once out of reach might now be obtainable. Be careful of overindulgence and overspending and being too free with information that may be better kept quiet for now. Cultivation. Marjoram grows well either as an annual or perennial in rockeries, garden beds, and containers. So after the danger of the last frost has passed from mid-spring through to early autumn. Marjoram needs to be well watered as it has shallow roots but not overly, as it is easily rots. So it does well in a soil that is enriched and well drained. Good to know. Harvest the leaves as required by snipping off the stems with scissors. Magical correspondences would be for the use of love, protection of objects, purification, spell and curse breaker, and health. And then the deities it's related to are Hermes, Odin, Persephone, and Mercury. The celestial would be Mercury, and the astrological sign would be a Gemini. And then there's a happiness spell here. This little mojo bag will prevent anything from disturbing your happiness. Draw a picture on a piece of paper that depicts the happiness you want to protect and fold the paper 3 times. Place that paper in a small black bag with a tiny black tourmaline and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram. Close the bag and hang it in a sunny window. Oh my goodness. Okay, so first of all, it's adorable as all heck. I love it. I am so pleased with it. 44 cards and a really great informative book. So I feel like as a beginner or any level that you're at with divination, this is fantastic. As somebody who could want to use this as flashcards for herbs, that sort of a thing, that would be great too because of the information in here. This could be like your little gateway into spell working or working with herbs and that sort of thing as well. All of the correspondences help. So you really have a lot of information in one book here, and that is absolutely fantastic. For $21.99 or $95, whatever it was, I'm thrilled. I couldn't ask for, you know, anything more with that price tag. The illustrations are beautiful. There's so much in here to look over and to learn, and for like to have that cultivation section for each of these is fantastic. So, I mean, this is only going to help. You know what I mean? So I'm excited. Is this something that you are excited about? Has it been on your list? What do you think about this? Because I am super excited to start using it. It's so cute. It's well done. The illustrations I love that lemon so much. So yeah, I'm curious to know what you think, and let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you guys so much for, you know, spending your time with me. And we recently hit 7,000. We're now over 7,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. There are going to be some updates soon, so stay tuned. And if you are not subscribed and you are curious, we have a community tab, which is always where I usually do my updates. So stay tuned there and then also, if there is a deck that you want me to review that I haven't or flip through, there is a little post on the community tab that you can let me know what deck down there as well. So that way it's all organized and I can get to it right away. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.